तक आपके माता पिता आपके साथ हैं, आपके पास हैं, उनका साया आपके साथ है।
It is very comforting. It is your universe. It is your back. It is your support system.
Even if they don't participate,
But उनका होना ही बहुत कुछ है. When my mother went into labor, my father had to go after a few hours to catch his train to go to attend his course. So he went and he admitted my mom in the army hospital. Of course, he had this comfort that she will be taken care of. And my mother was admitted, and in the same taxi, he continued and went to the station to catch his train. So he always said that those are not so super fast trains from Jalandhar to Pune must have taken about good 2 days. So for the 2 days, he was in a state of anxiety, dilemma, what is happening, what is not happening. So when he reached his room in Pune, so he got a telegram lying there waiting for him. And then he read the telegram that he has been blessed with a baby son, that is me. तो अब ये sacrifice father का था कि mother का था is a debatable question. But the thing is that you need to sacrifice. In fact, both have sacrificed. So आपने अगर कोई गिरा उठा लिया, अगर आपने कुछ सोच लिया करने का, so come what may, it has to be done, it needs to be done, it must be done. If we think about what have we learned from our father, or one has learned from his father. So I personally, I believe I have learned two very important virtues or habits. One is hard work without any compromise. काम पहले और personal convenience बाद में. So work at all cost. Secondly, be truthful. सच्चाई के लिए खड़े होना, being on the right side, fighting for the right, the person who is right, fighting for the right cause. So these two things which I believe are part of me, my personality, my DNA. सबसे पहले काम, he always says कि काम है तो इज्जत है. If you work, you get respect, irrespective of whatever wealth you have accumulated. No work, no respect. So, message to all my friends, Happy Father's Day. Enjoy your time with your father. Take advice with him, from him. उनसे बात करें, उनकी स्टोरियाँ सुने. And incidentally, today, 21st of June, 2026 is also my father's 85th birthday. So we are celebrating this special day with him, the whole extended family.
तक आपके माता पिता आपके साथ हैं, आपके पास हैं, उनका साया आपके साथ है.
It is very comforting. It is your universe. It is your back. It is your support system.
Even if they don't participate in your business or your activities, you have your own professional life,
business life, but उनका होना ही बहुत कुछ है. So happy Father's Day to everybody. Thank you.